Transform your data management with our Dataverse Multi-Environment Pro Manager. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Dataverse Multi-Environment Pro Manager is a powerful tool designed for technical users to effortlessly connect, manage, analyze, ingest. Dynamics 365 Dataverse environments, production, development, or sandbox. Environments tab. Add, connect, and manage multiple Dataverse environments. Example. Healthcare example. Connect separate environments for different hospitals to safely test changes before moving them into the live hospital system. Single quote. Bulk delete tab. Run safe but powerful deletes across many records and tables using delete groups, key fields or lookup filters. Finance example. Clean out test transactions or obsolete simulation data from a sandbox environment in controlled batches. Retail example. Remove old promotion records or expired coupons that clutter customer history. Bulk delete tab. Run safe but powerful deletes across many records and tables using delete groups, key fields or lookup filters. Finance example. Clean out test transactions or obsolete simulation data from a sandbox environment in controlled batches. Retail example. Remove old promotion records or expired coupons that clutter customer history. Staging tables tab. Upload files, clean data, and then push into Dataverse in a safe way before touching live tables. File, manual staging. Drop CSV, Excel, preview rows, columns, and create Dataverse staging tables with auto-split when there are too many columns. API ingest. Call external APIs, pull all pages of data, preview results, and then send them into staging tables. Data deduplication tab. Check new data against existing tables for duplicates and new records with rich statistics. Healthcare example. Detect duplicate patient registrations coming from multiple clinics or appointment systems before creating them in the master table. Retail example. Find duplicate customer records created through web, in-store and call center channels so marketing can merge them. Data analysis tab. Run a data-based analysis and visualize counts for specific fields using charts. Education example. Analyze enrollments by course or semester to see which programs are growing. Retail example. Break down orders by channel, region or product category to understand performance. Healthcare example. Analyze referral sources or appointment outcomes to support service planning. iSupport tab. Use an AI model to generate queries, transformations, explanations and help with complex Dataverse operations. Healthcare example. Ask the AI to suggest safety identification steps before exporting patient-like datasets. Retail example. Have the AI generate segment definitions or sample OData for targeted campaigns. Multi-table OData and Fetch XML query tab. Run queries that span multiple entities, then visualize the results. Healthcare example. Join appointments, clinicians and locations to see utilization by clinic and time of day. Retail example. Join orders, order lines and products to understand which product bundles drive the most revenue. History tab. See a full audit trail of all API calls sent from this tool, including favorites. Finance example. Keep a trace of all bulk loads or deletes executed for audit or rollback investigations. Retail example. Review which large updates were run before a spike in support tickets or data changes. IT operations. SQL query tab. Build SQL-style queries visually or type SQL directly and convert to Dataverse OData. Finance example. Let analysts who know SQL explore Dataverse data using familiar select, JOIN syntax and then convert to web API calls. Manufacturing example. Prototype joins between production, inventory and quality tables in SQL style before building dashboards. Thirdly, leverage powerful bulk data operations. Import or delete thousands of records at once, which saves you valuable time. What makes us unparalleled? Our tool integrates AI support that helps automate tedious tasks and minimize errors. Plus, you get a comprehensive history of your operations for complete oversight. Don't let your data hold you back. Experience effortless management, clear insights, and the confidence that comes from using the best tool in the market. Start your transformation today. Sign up for a demo and see how Dataverse Multi-Environment Pro Manager can elevate your organization's data management to the next level. Go to www.erp.2h2.co.uk.